This is the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. This phone comes with a 6.6-inch LCD screen and a 120Hz refresh rate, the latter of which isn't common to see at this price. The screen feels responsive, it's quite spacious, and it gets bright enough to see clearly on sunny days. The A23 5G has a 5000 mAh battery, so it will last 2 full days on a single charge with average use. There's sub-6 5G support across all major carriers, so you won't be stuck on 4G Lite alone. Plus, this smartphone has other perks that are increasingly missing on high-end flagships. That includes a headphone jack for anyone who still prefers to plug in, as well as an NFC sensor so you can make tap-to-pay contactless payments at retailers that support it. There's even a microSD card slot, which you'll want to use because the phone only comes with 64 GB of storage. The downside of this phone is the processor. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695, but you won't notice too many issues when you're just using a single app or day-to-day activities, but you will see stutters and lag as you try to juggle a few apps. It comes with a 50MP main camera joined by a 5MP ultrawide, a 2MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth camera for portrait mode, which is a bit of a downside too. The A23 5G ships with Android 12, which includes all of the material and goodness we've grown used to over the last year. And it's found on Samsung devices under the color palette menu. What really sinks the Galaxy A23 5G is that it has tough competition, like the Google Pixel 6a, but this is a good phone if you're on a budget or you don't do much multitasking. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.